Kate here with WTI, and I'm a huge fan of the way lighting can totally transform a space. These cordless table lamps from Ophouliy are incredible. There are so many things I love about them. First of all, cordless, so you can take them anywhere, including outdoors, because they are waterproof. So talk about leveling up your outdoor space. These are the gold ones. I just find them so beautiful and classy. They have a nice sturdy base, 3 different light settings. So you can have it at full brightness or you can dim it down. It can make it feel like you have a candlelit dinner, or it can actually light up your space a little bit. Great to take camping or put on your end table. They're rechargeable, so it came with the cables. You plug them in, you charge them up, and then you're good to go for hours. So if you want something that looks very sleek, great decor item, but also serves a purpose to add some lighting, I think you'll be thrilled with these, and that's my point of view.